In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync OneNote and keep your notes updated. Whether you're working on your computer, tablet, or phone, syncing ensures that your notes stay consistent and accessible wherever you go. To begin, open your OneNote application and make sure you are signed in to your account. Syncing relies on your account connection, so if you're not signed in, your notes won't update across devices. Once you're inside the app, open the notebook you want to sync and give it a moment to fully load. This helps ensure everything is ready before syncing begins. Now, in most cases, OneNote automatically syncs your notes in the background. This means any changes you make are saved and updated without you needing to do anything. However, there may be times when you want to manually sync to make sure everything is up to date. To do this, look for the Sync option within the application. You can usually find it by right-clicking on your notebook name or by navigating through the menu where syncing options are available. Once you select Sync, the app will begin updating your notes immediately. It's also important to make sure your internet connection is stable. Since syncing depends on cloud storage, a weak or disconnected network can prevent your notes from updating properly. If you notice that your changes aren't appearing on another device, checking your connection is always a good first step. Another helpful tip is to confirm that all your devices are signed in using the same account. If you're using different accounts, your notes won't sync between them. Keeping everything under one account ensures a smooth and seamless experience. If you ever run into syncing issues, you can try closing and reopening the app or signing out and signing back in. This can often refresh the connection and resolve minor problems. By keeping your notebook synced, you'll always have access to the latest version of your notes, no matter where you are or what device you're using. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.